One of our top priorities is to support the development of infrastructure finance. And basically, significant investments is needed to mitigate and to adapt to climate change. This is why we have established Pentagreen Capital, a joint venture between us and Temasek. Pentagreen Capital is committed to accelerate the development of infrastructure financing in Asia to remove the barriers that can prevent marginally bankable projects from accessing capital. It will seek to achieve this through a combination of technical assistance and blended finance to catalyze other sources of capital with the support of the ADB and Kelvin Capital. Geographically, Pentagreen will initially target opportunities in Southeast Asia. The company's primary focus will be on renewable energy and energy storage, clean transportation, and waste and water management. So at HSBC, we have set our own net zero ambition to achieve net zero in our operations and supply chain by 2030 and to reduce finance emission, essentially emissions from our portfolio of customers, to net zero by 2050. We expect technology to play a big role in supporting us to attain our goals, especially in tackling the biggest portion of our greenhouse gas emission, which is our finance emission and is part of our Scope 3 emissions. One of such areas would be climate analytics. We will need to develop an MI architecture that will allow us to efficiently gather data and build models for various cases, including finance emission modeling and climate risk stress testing for our portfolio. We aim to build and expand our climate analytics capabilities going forward, both for HSBC and for our clients. So transitioning actually presents a significant challenge in this region. And you can talk about transition in many ways, right? But transition is just not only looking at carbon emissions, but it also looks at the social and economic impact of it, which we call just transitioning. And it's therefore crucial that both the public and private sector comes together. One of the things that the public and private sector needs to do is to basically set up taxonomies and clear principles and guidelines to transitioning. And this is important because we need to be able to basically set up guidelines and measure them, and the impact of these transitions. So this is one thing that we can do to come together. The other thing, of course, is that transitioning needs a lot of financing, and this really requires huge financing of sorts. And what the public and private sector can do is to come together to crowd in blended financing to make sure that our transitioning plans and pathways become a reality.